Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial on how to use the KPI data source. For this video tutorial, I will show you how to add a new data source from Google Sheet. First thing first, you need to log in as admin and navigate to the KPI module. Click the KPI data source and then click Add a Data Source button. You need to sign in with Google first, so click Sign in and choose an account and click Continue. And you will be navigated to this page. Your spreadsheet will need to be in a specific format for importing, so click Download Example. Prepare your data in Google Sheet according to the format example given and save it. Then, please go back to this KPI data source and choose the file that you want to upload. Select the relevant KPI. How often will your data be updated? And do not forget to name your data source. After complete, click Save. And there you have it. With these functionalities, managing your KPI will be much more effective and streamlined. Thank you for watching.